Hello crafty friends, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. Really quick video. I ran into Walmart the other day and they were pulling out all the Valentine's Day stuff, and I picked up 3 things and I just wanted to share quickly what I found. They have these confetti pieces. They're called glitter hearts and you get 10 and they're only 98 cents. And I just wanted to share these because they're so pretty and they're pre-cut and they're a really nice size. And I love the bigger size as well. Look how big that is. Super cute. You can make this, turn this into a pocket. You could go like that and turn it into a pocket, sew it or glue it, and that'd be really cute. So anyway, I wanted to share these little hearts. And then they have these super cute little cups in the Valentine's Day section. And this one says, "A little glitter never hurt." And I just thought this was absolutely adorable. And it does, I think it doesn't move around. No, I guess the glitter doesn't move around, but it's just a cute little water cup or a drink cup. It says Cool Gear. So anyway, I just thought this was absolutely adorable. So I had to come on and share this little cup, and it was only $3.88. So really cute. And then last but not least, I did pick up some pink glitter tulle, and this was also in the Valentine's Day section. And I just like the color, so I wanted to use this for Valentine's Day projects. Anyway, quick little haul. Just wanted to really share with you those few little things. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.